The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a snow squall warning for western Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northwestern Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, west central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Washington County in Rhode Island, Kent County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Townsend to Sprague, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include whiteout conditions, zero visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow, wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour, dangerous life-threatening travel. Interstates 495, 90 and 95 in Massachusetts and Rhode Island. Locations impacted include Worcester, Providence, Lowell, Newton, Warwick, Cranston, Lawrence, Pawtucket, Framingham, Haverhill, Waltham, Methuen, East Providence, Arlington, Woonsocket, Billerica, Marlborough, Woburn, Shrewsbury, and Coventry. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.